Hey guys, today gagawa tayo ng chicken adobo for today's video. So we have 2 pounds of chicken leg. So I add 1 cup of soy sauce. Let's add 2 tablespoons of garlic, minced, seasoning. So naubusan kami ng paminta. So wala kami paminta. Tiktik muna yung paminta. Lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, not table, 1 teaspoon of paminta. Black pepper. Just marinate this for 1 hour. Mix it of course. I-mix muna natin. Yan, i-mix muna natin yan. Tapos, i-marinate natin ng for 1 hour. Kalimutan ko lagyan ng bay leaves. So, ayan. Yan, masaing muna tayo guys. Ng rice para may kanin na tayo mamaya. Kasi masarap to sa adobo. Maraming rice. Bawal mo ng diet. Okay? Tutubigan na natin ng 3 cups kasi 3 cups din yung isainin natin for today. Okay. An hour na. So, lalagay tayo ng mantika. Ipa-fry lang natin yan. Yan. Ayan. Natirang sauce, ilagay natin. Tapos papakuluan natin yan. Nakulo na siya. Haluin lang natin yan. Kumukulo-kulo na siya. So, ilalagay na natin yung suka natin. This is homemade suka. Homemade vinegar. Yan. 1/3 cup lang. So, ilalagay natin yan. Pero, we don't mix it. Wait muna tayo ng pagkumulo. Ayan. Takpan natin ulit. Yan. Add natin yung 1/3 cup na sili. Sarap yan. O, kumukulo na siya. Haluin na natin siya. Add 1 spoon of sugar. Yan. Ito na yung ating adobo. Yummy adobo. Tara na, kain na tayo. Adobo is ready for you, babe.
So excited.
I don't think this is your first time.
This is my first time. I've never had adobo before.
Are you sure?
What are you talking about?
Alright, enjoy. I want to see your reaction. Yeah, tayo mabuntis. Alright.
Let me try it, babe. Let me try it first.
Do you want to put some sauce?
Yeah. Let's try it.
Go. Mmm. Oh, that's yummy. Masarap?
Uh-huh. It's good, babe.
Thank you. Do you like it?
It's the peanut best. I need more.
Wow. Pilipino talaga. Wow. May kulangot.
So don't forget to like and subscribe to my girlfriend's channel and hit the bell button, notification icon. See you guys next time.